Mentakasngi nakaliang jong ka District Child Protection Unit na po Madhya District hangte po Karnataka kalawan ban IT ya ki arpo arngut ki kena ki papuli hakwi ke skul ke badana po Karnataka lada pi paidin kendiat pila ban kan mau ba arngut ki kena ki la du lah ka jong jing em hakwi ke jingja hadin ba ki la ayo ban ban ta ka jing bam ke balong bi bat kini arpo arngut ki weipat mentakasngi lawan IT hang ni po katenat jong ka social welfare di mentakasi gila don kajing elang gabaret but nakaleng jengiru gila yo ban yakran kendiat ya menteri joka tenat social welfare haringkat ro ye director jongka social welfare hang ni po kajela juni
namar bagi don ni kena bede ini kilong yelong sen bedo ngila ong yeki ba kanum don jing AA baka sarkar kan ai yeki free enrollment kentuk ki got puli kentuk ki exercise books hapo jongka RTE buat ke Department of Education ke don hangi buat kersian yaki wakum kita kijat kena kini pelawan phai mendara singil kat bangidang yang hangi maki kita pendap yaki form kita pendap yaki formalities ki don kamboro kena begini kena apa alai singil la banyo school pertama kini ke kita amdei tang ke social welfare department ke kita ruya ke home police department ke kita ruya ke education department ke ngan initiate ya kata kadang dan jengnya bila dia kata ban penting kena ngin kuat ban pendep syua ya kan nika enrollment jong kini kena ban penting kena bikin num dekut ke jeng kuliah ke jongki kadang kita ingin sesium ya review ni
kan nika sarkar jongi lembaga political department kala tho syaka Karnataka government ya ka banyathu ya kan nika jingja padhalor kini ka jela Karnataka hi kala ai ka order ban khangno ya kan ka school ha ka balalap ya kan ka jingja bagi ai ka bam ka basa ikini ki khlung bat ki poisa ka hospital di hadin kini pan lembaga ni ka State Commission for Protection of Child's Rights ka ba penyat kan ka jela jongi the Madam Agatha baga de former MP pat lembaga syuki baka syong maka kala ya kener lang sya chairperson jong ka Karnataka government pat keniru kilala trade board ba ya ka ban pensum pat ban pinstep ya kaneka jing 1.5 pat ikini ki hybrid bat kini ki kena samla jongi ki ba police ti they are sound ki dan hakani ka school ki dan ki hajar no ki bagi light tengim bat tip hi nama bagi pat yo ka registration de hindre ya ka bangi tip mentana ka school ki dan kumba atu arngut naki south lake district hangni po jela jongi ka we na po east Jaintia Hills district ka na east Khasi Hills district ka na po west Khasi Hills district but ka na po east west Jaintia Hills but ki kena ki bawan ki dini kini ki jaka ki bakam kendong de ka ni kam ni berkat nam ta ki kimi ki pa nama ki kwa ka jing pulia bakam ba kumangala omen shwa we ni kini ki kena hinmen de balale dal adap jing pulia kani ka school hi ila ale pulia medical de ki kimi ki paru ki dan kata ka jingkermen bagi konjongi kenum susah nong bela kenum susah hasnong ki bakin yo ki lat ki lenti ki bakam ha ya ka bakin yo kam di hindre namar baka jano ka ka kam sosi te ka ne ka jilla ka jongi ni ka ha pho ka bha jong ka social welfare department kanu ka jing lanot lane kanu jing ujor ka baki don nam ta ki child's rights tikini ki cases habangi te mangi kum ka sarkar ngim de ban khap ruk khamat bat ni da shimkhia bat kani kani convergence mangi ka social welfare department bat ka police department ka de ka bagi da don ka coordination jong ka district administration jong baro atli ki jilla Karnataka bat Meghalaya nang ta pade mentang ni phai ni bu yaki shikini ki district Nongstoin bat Chajwai mangi la adap kini ki kita bangi ong handing over na mangi pen phai pat kini ki khulung shaki kimi ki pan re hapok ka jingalam jong ka child welfare committee jong ka Karnataka Mandya district Menta Child Welfare Committee Jawai nanta Shillong Nongstoin bagini ki district ni Shimkhia mangi pade ya ka bangin ai ya kini ki khilong ki bangi Shimna Karnataka CWC bangi wanra shangi ki CWC namangi na habu jing tho te pemola da kum ki kimi ki pa shanu baki pha ngimtip mo yo ki kwa shaway yo ki biang kata ka jing yo la ni ka support la ni ka financial support yo ki yo na ki well wisher la ni ki philanthropist yo ki kwa ai kini kina yo ki yo puli ki jaka ba bahas shu yo mde tang ha Karnataka le ni Delhi ne mamba ya ka tangim la ban kham Henry lada kini ki khilung khna kem treli pulishu pila yo sngo mene ha ka jingelang ba nakaliang jong ka education department ila don isa Peter ila don isa Rudy kila mikmat maki nam taka education department but kida kubur ba under the right to education ka bahap ai ka free education to children from 6 years to 14 years kila bakli hi maki hapadeng jongi baro wada khmat jing menteri ru ba ka dei menta ka kamram jongi nam takini ki aku arngot ki khna ya ka bangin yo I bakim it is their rights to have education te lada ki kimi ki pa kim la ru ngi ka social welfare department ke yeng nangam takani ka daw.
It's our duty to rescue the children and take care of the children. Till 16/3/2025, our DC sir guidance, our district administrator take care of the children and hand over the CWC through the admission, the boys home, and we take care of the children. And we're happy to children hand over to the Meghalaya state, and ma'am, program manager Raktak madam is still contact with me still 16/3. She's very care of children. So we update day by day what happened there. We update there, and also we our children. It's our children. So every children is DCPO children, and they are called me Amma. Amma, I'm happy to Amma duties.
As far as the case is concerned,
Yeah.
action where the action.
Yeah, it's a process. It's a process. FIR is registered and accused. It's a process.